All right, good morning, everybody. All right, let's take a look and see what we have. Now, we had some early morning trades already. They literally just got out. I was long natural gas, was long crude oil. Right now, only stock I have on is AMAM. AMAM. And let's get a target up here. AMAM target. First target 469. 469. Second target for Einstein 480. 480. Don't have anything going on with the indices right now. It does look like we are going to get a higher open on the Dow. We have the mini Dow up 60 right now. All the indices are up some, a little bit. NASDAQ up 132. Not seeing anything on the mini Russell yet this morning. Watching the mini Russell. Don't see anything there yet. Let's see. Mini NASDAQ's been moving up. Nothing there. Gold's been moving up. Nothing there. Already had a nice trade on natural gas. Was a buy. We already hit target. Crude oil was a buy. Hit target. All right, so now we're just going to wait here. We're going to watch our stock here, AMAM. Nothing on MARK. GNCE's been one of the more active ones, 7 million already. In volume, not bad for pre-market. Yeah, just not seeing anything right now. So we're working. Working AMAM. So might stop down here at the red, down at around 432 or so. So I'm just looking at my early morning scans. It's a pretty quiet morning. OCEA. Yeah, I started moving early this morning. Nothing on OCEA yet that I feel comfortable getting into. Look at IQ. IQ was a mover the other day. Nothing that I see on IQ. IQ looks pretty thin out there. AMC was a good one yesterday. Not seeing anything there on AMC. You see single prints like this, just doesn't show a whole lot of activity, and I don't like to see those single prints. It could heat up a little bit later after the opening. We're gonna continue to watch that. ENVX is another one that I've been keeping an eye on. You have 900,000 shares already traded on ENVX. A lot of people are going to be watching this VWAP. This purple line is VWAP. A lot of traders watch that. So I always just put it up there, kind of see what the other traders are looking at. They'll use this as support and resistance. So I just like to see if I get triggered around those points. I like to get triggered around those points. Maybe we get some additional follow through. Particularly if it's a buy, I like to see the shorts get squeezed on something like that. But right now I don't see anything there. GRAB. GRAB has some potential. Once again, get some single prints there. 960 million so far, not bad. Now, LAPD was really active yesterday. I like it. We already have 6 million shares traded. I'd like to see a little bit of pullback before I decide to enter into that. So I'm going to definitely keep that on the radar here. Of course, GNC has been super active this morning. 7.5 million shares already traded this morning, so that could potentially take off. I like to see a setup, though, and I don't. Everything has already been taken off on the upside. So I'd really like to see a little pullback here and then get a buy on it. Just super wild. All right. Let's take a look at some of the currencies. I don't see anything on the currencies yet. Yen may start to work a little bit lower here. I'm watching the yen, but nothing I'm really excited about. I want to see a little bit more activity here before I want to jump in on that yen. But we're definitely keeping an eye on it. All right, so we're just going to sit back here and wait. Last thing we want to do is just be jumping into something just to have a little bit of activity. So I'm just sitting on AM right now. Just sit on AM long. Got really quiet in here. I think it's going to pick up here right after the opening. Let's see. Nothing else. Not seeing a whole lot on the scanners either. Been pretty quiet this morning. Mini Dow still up 78. So the way I have these charts set up, I've got my, we have the 1 minutes, just regular bar charts over here. 1 minute candlestick charts. Down here is also 1 minute, but this is a Heiken Ashi. Kind of smooths things out a little bit. I like to look at that. You got a 5 minute Heiken Ashi here. And then you have your dailies. Just like to look at the dailies, see what the overall kind of market's doing, where it's been coming from. It's not so much of a, I don't really use the dailies as a filter because some of your better trades are going to be or going to be opposite of whatever the market's doing. So if the market's been going up, you can get some really good selling opportunities. Now I used to sell a lot of stock. It's a harder game to play. But I love selling. I will sell the indices. I will sell commodities. I definitely will sell any of the currencies, any of the forex pairs. Stocks, I try to focus more on the buy side. But if you're a short seller and you like that, man, I get some great shorts. But I don't talk about the shorts here. We're just going to focus on the buys. So this is the mini Dow YM. That's your mini Dow. E-mini going up. All the indices are up. RTY mini Russell going up. Nasdaq mini Nasdaq going up. ENVX. I could see ENVX coming up to this 980. Next low for Einstein, 990.
NINA.
If we hit 990, it's going to take me up to 1016. We'll kind of watch that. ENVX. NINE. Too little volume, nothing there. So once again, I like to focus on stocks under $10. I just don't have a whole lot going on right now. Really, 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 really quiet. JNCE, a lot of people watching that this morning. Just choppy, you can see the choppiness, just up and down, up and down, up and down. Not the kind of action that I really like, but it could go a little bit higher because you have so many people watching that. It's just not something I want to jump into right now because I just don't see, I don't have any really clear levels up here. Everything's been hit, so nothing there. Let me do a recalculation. Yeah, it's... I mean, I could see... Man, it's just all over the place. Stay away from that. LLAP, gonna continue to watch LLAP. We can get LLAP up to this 323. Yeah, maybe something I want to take a look at. I'm going to make a mark. I'm going to mark this 323. I put a little bit of a reminder in. If it hits it, I want to come back and take a look at that.
COMS.
COMS, volume too light. Yeah, looks like
WEBL.
My guess would be COMS right now. Looks like it wants to come down. Don't want to touch that. Anytime you see the scanner going off, that means it's hitting new highs for the day. WEBL, probably same thing. Yeah. 31,000 shares, 2222 low. My favorite, JDST, still low volume, but I'm going to keep an eye on that today. I've been doing well with that. AMC, once again, also want to keep an eye on that. 600,000 so far for the day. And that has the potential going up to 645. What, 645 on AMC? Still long AM. Couple targets up here on AM. First target's coming in at 469. Second target's coming in at 480. All right, nothing on RTY. Nothing on the mini Russell. Still not seeing anything in gold. Natural gas already hit its targets, continuing to go up. Crude hit its targets, continuing to go up. E-mini S&P continuing to go up. So once again, I did release the video last night on Einstein and a little bit of information on how I'm trading these Einstein levels, what they are, these little lines here you see, how these are calculated, a little bit about how I use it with the patterns. Please check out that video. The information is going to be below. You can click on that little link down there and take you over to watch that video. What Einstein does is it gives me these high probability price targets, and then I use it with my high probability patterns, and the combination is it's not only very strong, but it's a much easier way of trading instead of putting a bunch of indicators on my charts. And the nice thing about patterns is there's no lag time on them, unlike your indicators, right? A lot of lag time. No lag time with patterns. These targets that you see here, every one of them has a probability over 70% of being hit before the target, which is this red line down here. Remember, we're talking about probabilities. Doesn't mean every trade's going to be a winner, right? But it is going to hit over 70%. These green lines before it hits that red line. All right, let's get ready here. We got an opening coming up here on the down. I do want to keep an eye on that. Still on AM.
CB traded at 8:28 a.m.
Not see anything on that yet. Gonna watch LA. I do want to watch LLAP. I needed to bounce up here before I consider buying it. 323. All right, let's keep an eye on this down. Let's see what this down does here on the opening. Another 10 seconds or so.
SCPH. SCPH.
Dow's at 107. SCPH. Too little volume. Watching OCEA.
JDST.
There's my JDST heating up.
NINE.
Nothing on NINE.
ENSV MYRG GGAA
PR's taking off.
JDST.
IO.
AMAN.
AMAM is making new high. It's the only stock I'm in right now. AMAM.
JDST. AMAN.
AMAN hit first target. AMAM hit second target. Gonna go ahead and take profits on AMAM. All right, out of AMAM after hitting second target.
ADST, AMAN. SCPH.
All right, only trade so far, AMAM. I'm watching LLAP come up to the 323. Nothing there. OCEA. Like to see a pullback on that first before I jump into that. GRAB is another one I'm watching. Not seeing anything that I like on GRAB. Take that off my radar. ENVX.
BIO. BLBTYB.
Need to pop up.
ENSV. MYRG.
RXT. Yeah, RXT. I like RXT. I'm gonna buy a little bit of RXT here. RXT. Buying RXT here at 306. First target's going to bring me up to 315.
UIHC.
Then I see 321. A little thin on volume though, 200,000 on the volume. All right, if we can get enough speed, we can also go as high as 336. Wow. 336. Gonna watch RXT. All right, looking for that first level on RXT. 315.
AM, AM.
My AM is still going.
AM, AM.
BIO BGGAAU.
All right, we already took profits on AM, so not seeing anything there. How much further could it go here? Well, I could see AM coming up all the way up here to 520. $520. Can I move up? And not seeing anything on LLAP. Once again, I like to see that firm up before I buy into it. OCEA. I had a buy earlier, but it's gone already. AMC.
APH.
I need that to work a little bit higher too. Nothing there. ENVX. I'm not seeing anything that I like on ENVX.
GGAA.
All right, PR could have a nice buy up here at 1054. Kind of getting out of my $10 range. So I don't like to trade over $10, but we will keep it on PR. Let's look at JDST. I like to get a nice little pullback on JDST before I want to commit to buying anything on that. RXT, still long RXT, looking for a couple levels to get hit. CEO's picking up. I want to watch GMS. Just not enough volume out there.
GGAA.
SCPH. JDST.
All right, I am getting a short on the gold. I am now getting a short on the gold. All right, target on gold. Looking for a target on gold down to 1828. Go ahead and mark that, 1828. $18.28 is going to be my profit target on gold. And if I don't hit target, need to reverse. I'm going to reverse up here at 837. 1837. If I can come up somewhere around
LVTYB.
1834, that'd be a good little add-on point right here. I'll put that in yellow. So we'll keep an eye on that. Short on gold, add on around 1834. Stop reverse 1837. Let's look at silver. Yeah, silver's had some shorts earlier, but nothing on silver. All right, just playing short gold. All right, still on RXT. RXT's got to get moved. If it doesn't get moved, I'm going to go ahead and get out of RXT. All right, I want to watch AM, see if we can get some sort of pullback in here. Consider jumping back in on that. I favor JDST. And JDST could possibly start pulling back.
SCPH.
I'm going to watch somewhere around, let's say 870. If it hits 870, I think it's going to go much lower. So if it hits 870, I think we're going lower. All right. All right, just long RXT, short gold.
GGAA.
Don't touch that yet. LLAP. All right, RTX not taking off. I got a $20, I have 200 shares on. I have a $20 loss. I'm going to go ahead and just get out of RXT. If it doesn't explode, I'll get out, then come back. GRAB. I like the action on GRAB. I'm going to take that off the radar.
GFX. U. GFX. GGAA.
Reverse buy.
Okay, I was afraid of that. Gold is reversing, going long. Gold just reversed. This is a HF1 buy. I do like HF1 buys. So that's going to put us into an HF1 buy on the gold. All right, so we just came out of an HF3 short that reversed HF1 buy on gold. So target on the upside now is 1840. 1840.
SCPH.
And if I need to reverse, I will just get out. I don't take more than 2 losses. So on the gold, I would get out at 1831. Alright, new target reversed on gold. 1840 is going to be my target. watch SPRC. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's pretty active. Alright. Kind of keep an eye on that. Don't want to do anything on SPRC yet. BBAI. That's a familiar symbol. No, I'm not seeing enough activity there right now to warrant getting into that. I'll keep it up on the radar though.
GGAA ESM U ESM.
None of volume watching HSC, none of volume on that. I'd like to see more volume coming in on that. I like the chart though. Still hanging tight on our long gold. 1840 target. $18.40 target up here. Sitting at 36.
AMAM.
Nothing there. Already out of RXT, kind of petered out. Nothing there. AM is running again. I do like AM. I'm going to buy a little AM again in here. So we're getting some new targets up here now. All right, just went long again on AM. First target's gonna bring me up to let's see here, $5. $5. Can't even get it's moving too fast.
AMAM.
All right, already hit $5. Up to 517. Man, this thing is moving fast. Let's see here. Yeah, I think we'll go up to about 550.
UIHC. AMAM.
Still running MAM, looking for a target around 550. If it slows down up here, I will go ahead and take my profit.
AMAM.
BNSO.
UIHC.
Man, I got a great profit on this. Let's see what if it holds. AMAM. $28. $29, new high. $31. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take my profit.
AMAM.
All right, took a profit. I like to get out when that momentum is moving to the upside. Out of AMAN, and you know what? We're sitting at the top of the hour, so that leaves us flat on the stocks, long on the gold. That's going to wrap it up for today. Once again, please check out that new video I just released. I think you'll find it enlightening. And as always, please be sure to give me the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That'll help me out. Give me a thumbs up. That helps as well. And also, if you would go ahead and hit that notification bell, we'll keep you updated on any new videos that are coming out. All right. That is going to be a wrap. So everybody have a good day. Any questions, you can always reach me via my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Glenn, thank you again, and we will see you all hopefully first thing tomorrow morning.